Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial we will show you how to report Instagram account. If you are not know about this, let's do that. So before starting a video, if you are the new user, please subscribe our channel. So let's go toward the video. Select any random account which you want to report. So click on the three dot at the top and you see the option at the first report. Once you click on it, it will move you to the next page, and in this step it asking that why you reporting this account. So we will click on report account, and in this step we will select our desire through due to which we report on it. So I click at the first one. Once you click on it, so there is a multiple option due to which you want to report. So I want to report on it that I just don't like it. So then click on the next, and they are asking further that you want to block it, restrict it, and unfollow it. So I select the option third one, unfollow. These were the simple steps to report on Instagram account. So if this video is informative for you, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.